No headlights. California driver. Should I save it? Yeah, press it like 2 or 3 times. I'm gonna get a cabin facing camera. No headlights. I hope they got it. Oh shit, something's coming.
Get on your right,
Fire
Willie.
truck.
You always gotta get on your right.
I don't get why oncoming traffic has to do it.
Well, I think they should always stop still.
Yeah. I guess this fucking retard up here ain't gonna do anything. No, you're just gonna keep going.
Well, it could turn right. That'd be good. Go.
Yeah, look at them. They literally just didn't even slow down.
Save
what an asshole. That yeah, save that. Asshole.
It's so good to hear you say it. I think about you.
But not like that, you know?
Is it because of Google Home?
Hello? Alright, volume down. Elvis Duran and You've been seen by us, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I
On the lane, now I'm seeing red, now I think it's straight. Blurring all the lines you want to.
So you can take their overtime. So I could probably easily be racking up like 8 hours of overtime a week.
How many hours do you work a week? 40?
Yeah, 40. So it's like, wow, I'm doing that. What? This motherfucker. Save.
Save. Oh yeah, you're getting an old import craft.
Yeah. Headlights.
Nope,
The
just
fucker.
turn them on. I guess I'll say that. Why not? And stuff, because people then can like make the same amount as a degree, and then once you're certified, watch this guy try to come in. Asshole.
Where is the save at? Whoa, this dude's getting over.
Save it, Willie.
Oh shit!
Save that.
Where the hell is the save?
Dude, look at, there's no one behind us. I know.
Reason I breathe.